हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज सुरजीत रॉय। वेलकम टू TariffWolf। तो मैं आज एक प्रोडक्ट का डेमो देने वाला हूँ। प्रोडक्ट है TariffWolf एपीआई सिस्टम। इसमें एक एपीआई की है जो आपके स्प्रेडशीट के साथ कनेक्ट करके या स्प्रेडशीट में एड ऑन्स होकर काम करता है। So let me show you the demo. Let me show you the demo. Before I show you the demo, here are two model of this API system. One is TW-HS-sprint and second one is TW-HS-intelligence. So ये दो मॉडल है। दो मॉडल का पर्पस अलग अलग है। जो पहली वाली मॉडल है, दिस मॉडल ओनली प्रोवाइड द HS हिंट of the items. Like if you have items like shirt, so that will provide the possible HS codes on 6 level, 6 digit HS code, which is actually globally accepted for this item. And this system work with 4 Google Sheet formula. Let me show you. So here are 4 Google Sheet formula. फर्स्ट वन इज TWHS हिंट। ये फॉर्मूला किसी भी प्रोडक्ट का जो पॉसिबल HS कोड है उसे डिटरमाइन करने में मदद करता है। सेकेंड वन इज TWHS कोड। दिस फॉर्मूला यूज टू क्लासिफाई ए आइटम फॉर द स्पेसिफिक डेस्टिनेशन कंट्री on their full digit. Like for US, it will provide 10-digit HS code. For import country India, it will provide 8-digit HS code, the country specific HS code. And the next one is TW sub and इस वाले फार्मूला का जो काम है, अगर किसी क्लासिफिकेशन में एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन रिक्वायर्ड होता है, लाइक input type is shirt, but the what is the material of the shirt, what is the fabric construction of the shirt, is that knit or woven or something like that, ये मेल के लिए है, फीमेल के लिए है, उससे अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए, उस इंफॉर्मेशन को रिक्वायर करने के लिए कुछ एडिशनल क्वेश्चन जनरेट होता है, जो मैं नेक्स्ट डेमो में आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ। तो इस फार्मूला को यूज करके वो रिक्वायर्ड जो क्वेश्चन अपेयर हो रहा है उसका आंसर सबमिट किया जाता है। एंड द लास्ट वन इज TWCL जस्ट, दैट इज यूज फॉर द क्लासिफिकेशन जस्टिफिकेशन। आफ्टर द क्लासिफिकेशन डन, उसके बाद इस फार्मूला को यूज करके जस्टिफिकेशन जनरेट किया जाता है और अपेयर किया जाता है एक्सेल शीट में, आई मीन गूगल शीट में। ओके, next, understand about the service tier, means the API model. So we have only two model currently. One is TWHS print and next one is, I have already told you, the TWHS intelligence. And this is for the basic startup level classification, like to generate the HS hint only. And this is for the enter classification process, like the country specific full digit HS code and the justification generation. If the additional if the question generated for the additional information required, and submitting those questions answers and justification generation. So this model is capable to do this. And here is a comparison table. So we have decided that this model, the sprint model, use 0.75 credit for per classification until the HS code appears, and intelligence model use 2.00 credit for single classification, means the full digit HS code including the additional information requires Q&A and the justification generation. And if you see the four formula, like with this print model, the HS hint will work and remain three formula will not work with this model. But the intelligence model, in the intelligence model, ये चार जो फॉर्मूला है ये वर्क करेगा प्रॉपरली। और हालांकि इसमें प्रोसेसिंग बहुत लिमिटेड है, तो ये फास्ट प्रोसेसिंग होता है, और इसमें प्रोसेसिंग थोड़ा लेंदी है, प्रोसेस डेटा लेंदी है। तो ये एच कोड जनरेट करने में 13 से 22 सेकंड लेता है, या 4 से 9 सेकंड लेता है। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दैट। ओके, so now the question is how to integrate this API system into the Google Sheet. Okay, so you will get a Google Sheet script, JavaScript from us like that, and this is your Google Sheet. Here I put 10 demo product, and I will show you. Let me first integrate these things, add-ons into the Google Sheet. Okay, so let me copy the code, then you go to the extension, then app script, delete everything, paste the things, and rename the project like API. You can rename it any name, it's on you completely. Then you will find, scroll down or scroll up this section, like edit these three lines only. Okay, so this is the endpoint, default endpoint, do not more change it. And here is, you need to submit the API key. We will provide you the API key as per the demand and requirement. Okay, so let me copy the API key. Here is the API key, and paste is there. Okay, then click on the deploy, new deployment. uh, it will take little bit time. Select type web app, new deployment, deploy. Okay, then authorize access, it will ask you to access. And okay, don't care about that, this is very normal, and this is very common things for every script deployment on the in the Google's Sheet. Click on the advanced, go to the app name, click unsafe, and this is the common practice. Unsafe, that does not means that is actually unsafe. Okay, okay, and this screen will be appear, and click on continue. Don't worry about that, we will not getting your personal information. Okay, you will get notified on your Google account that you have something authorized on your system, something like that. Click on done. Okay, then before you run the system, just take a test. Look here, you will, the four formula will appear and the other things are appear. Just check one by one, like, okay, this one is running perfectly, and that is also run perfectly. Next, okay, एंड द लास्ट फार्मूला। ओके, अभी अब एक बार चेक कर लो कि एपीआई की सही है या नहीं, एक बार रन कर लो, तो ये भी परफेक्टली काम कर रहा है। ओके, another you can, if you want to check, you can check, no problem. Okay, let me close. After that, just refresh the page, so everything will working accordingly. अभी टेस्ट करते हैं उसे। फर्स्ट हम एच एस, अच्छा, एक चीज मैंने बताना भूल गया था, सॉरी। इन दैट सेक्शन, यहाँ पर आप मॉडल सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो। अभी मैंने इंटेलिजेंस लगा के रखा है, जहाँ पर क्लासिफिकेशन का credit point यूज होता है, 2 point credit यूज होता है, sorry, and you can use pint for 0.75 credit using. So it's depend completely on you. Okay, let me check. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now started with the HS hint generation. Like each and every formula, like started with is equal to, then type TW HS hint will appear. Okay, first bracket, then select the SKU. Okay, selecting SKU, if your product does not have SKU, generate some dummy SKU on there, because it is used for tracking the system for the future progress. Okay, so SKU is mandatory. Then select the product description. Like here, our product information in two cells, like title and description. If you have some additional information for this product, like the material made of, end use, or something like that, so you can select the range. Okay, then close the bracket and type enter. Okay, it will take 5 to 6 seconds to generate the HS hint. Okay, the HS hint is generate for this item. Then just control D and generate the HS hint for all the product. Okay, for all the product, like you will get 3 to 5 HS code on 6 digit for the each item as per the product information, like this. Okay, and the next is TWHSCODE. It is used for the country specific classification. Like here the destination is USA, India, Great Britain, France, Singapore, Italy, Indonesia, Germany, Malaysia, and India again. Okay, let me show you. अभी क्या करना है यहाँ पर, TWHS कोड करना है, उसके बाद SQ, then the description, then the country of destination. Okay, just enter and okay, it will come something like that. Then control D. मैंने ये सब ऐसे लगा के रखा है क्योंकि ये बेटर अंडरस्टैंड के लिए है. Like out of 10, here 2 item need more clarification for the classification. Okay, so here we use the TWSUBANS. I mean that's mean the TariffWolf submit answer. So what is the question? What is the product primary function? Sort. Okay, this is a the general apparel. And what is the main material? It is made of cotton, let's assume. And which intent end user? Consumer, industrial, medical. Okay, what is the consumer? Okay, let me answer this first. So to submit the answer, like is equal to TW submit answer, then select the, okay, that time just now I told you that SKU is mandatory because of to track this system. Okay, without this SKU we cannot submit the answer to tally or recognize the uh, line, I mean the items. Okay, TW submit answer and select the SKU, and the first answer is general clothing for men. Okay, and what is the material? It is made of 100% cotton, and the last answer is consumer. Okay, uh, it will take time to reanalyze this system. I mean the classification. It had multiple stages classification process. This is not something like the VLOOKUP or in general formula work in the system. Okay. Now Generate data justification. TW justification SKU, and just type the SKU and it will generate the justification respect of this HS code. Okay, that's all, and please visit tariffwolf.com/API for more details. Feel free to contact me for live demonstration and others. You can DM me, you can email me, anything. You are always welcome. Thank you.